Oh, okay. So, folks, let me say good morning, good evening, good afternoon. The matter of where are you sitting and watching the live broadcast? Oh, my name is Emmanuel B. Thomas, and there's the DTV online. We are currently in St. Paul Bridge, Pacific Creole community, where people are homeless due to the heavy flow in Creole community. People are homeless. The flood actually took over the whole Creole community, and people are thinking where to go. As you can see, the flood. So as a lender, this actually happened this morning, and people were in their bed, sleeping, and the normal hustle. Unfortunately, wake up this morning and see this heavy floor, heavy floor in Creole community. So, folks, on behalf of the TV online, we are actually calling on the disaster management to help the people of St. Paul Bridge, more especially in Creole community. Of course, as you can see, women's mother sisters are suffocating in this matter. So on behalf of the DTV family, we are calling on the disaster management to see how bad.
When they bring the money, they see that drop play, they never give the money on the when they say Umogi, I want they mean no casa. The people that when they not eat water, say that the people they make casa. That's how they go in Maruna. How no more you see the play that so
this morning they were talking here.
Not the money, but seven they were talking in my room. The snake they passing in my room. They snake in my room.
All right.
So I'm going to see to my
I mean, last year they record me, they say they will help me, but they not help me. Martin and us for my market money spot last year, they say they will help me. They say
who get me ready?
The people that we run, they say they're picking money for we. The rest of the people here last year, three people die for we. Three person 1 cup. Now they give we a baby man. What I will do 1 cup, we bake now 2 cup beginning. Here, Papa. I go rave if they were getting three bed for any room for the water. But we can't see the water. When they say Creole, now water yourself, you go inside there. You go in there. When I pay now, that trouser, you will take it. Oh, you need boss.
Okay. Thank you.
So we're in the floor.
All right. I think you listened to one of the residents of this Creole community that set it up. According to Hawk saying, they often put in their name down whenever the chairman requested for their name, but no benefit can come. So we don't know. We stay here. Oh. So we stay here. If it's just joining, or let me say a pleasant Sunday, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. No, it depends the play where are you sitting and watch the live broadcast. We are currently in district number 16, St. Paul Bridge Pacific, the Creole community. Oh man. So folks, drop a comment section. Drop a comment in our comment sections. We will read it out because this actually carrying the resident of Creole backward. I think you listen to some victims of this flaw. Say the snake often passes in your house. Some say only God can help the poor. Actually, only God can help the poor. Only God can help the poor. Citizens are crying in district number 16. This. The government need to try their best. If they are debating on the disaster management, I think we need to go. So if you just join us again, as you can see, this is Creole community. This community is actually struggling without the local government or local organizations to provide support. So we are pleading on the government or the disaster management to help the resident of Creole community. The resident of Creole community are relying on makeshift. Oh. Oh, Sparks say what the water are flowing for. We don't know what causes the water, but some residents say this actually happened. August. No, please show the Quail Mansion. Okay. As you can see, a little one. So let get a conversation with these two siblings here. Yeah, hello. You alright? Where am I? No. Where am I? What? Where are you? Hello. Edwina. How are you? So what are you doing?
Cleaning water.
Cleaning water. So you can explain what actually happened here? This when it happened? Late morning. You were sleeping. What you say?
I say the morning we wake up. The water of foot. The water 2 foot. But people will know now the water start coming inside the water. Oh, inside the water.
Oh, inside the water.
Start cleaning. We start cleaning. Our eyes start cleaning.
So what you want to tell the local organizations or the government, the disaster management? What you want to tell? What do you want to tell the people who can help you? So when actually if this happen, no food can come, no help can come? Oh, you say? Oh, okay. Okay. So today you experienced a huge flaw in your first year here. What actually got to your mind? What do you think?
I think I'm gonna move, but I won't put my money there.
So before
water overcome the whole room, the whole house.
you thinking of moving, but as a lender, then the money are not refundable to give back to you. So how will you move?
We'll be here, we'll be here.
Before paying your rent, the house owner told you about whenever it reach a cost we engage into his floor.
Yeah.
Then you accept. Okay. So what you want to tell the disaster management and the local organization who form part or the chairman who form part in this community?
So can I help us with food because the water can't get food no way.
So enter your room?
Enter in my room at that generally one can I carry all the next matter.
Okay.
All in the room.
Your name?
I need to do this.
All right. Thank you. That's
You thank you.
to do get. Wow. I think you listen to donate again will come and people will come. So folks, pleasant good morning, good evening, good afternoon. A pleasant good morning, good evening, good afternoon. The matter of why you sitting and watching live broadcast. We here today in Quail Pacific, the district number 16, where residents of Quail were sleeping. Unfortunately, wake up. So what you do? You check my phone. They are going to my phone. So myself, I into the floor too. But I got to bring the courage here. It's so sad. So let read our comment here. Say Samuel Rick say this other fool talking, sorry for that expressions, but this other fool talking stupidity here. People are concerned about Florence and you posting mess from 1847. Which of the past government never involved into this? So that's actually came from Sam. Ambassador Dukley. It's also happening in Refi. That's what come from. So Augustine say JMB need to resign. Food or floor. Food or floor. Oh, we will read you the comment. We will read you the comment. Keep following. My name is Emmanuel Thomas. We are currently in this grade number 16. Oh, Betty say Betty responds to Augustine say, is the JMB responsible for the water again? No, we don't know. We don't know. This is not a politics. Our citizens are crying for help here. This is not a politics. So we are calling on the disaster management to see how best to help the citizens. Lost a lot of stuff here. More luggages were being missing through this floor. Oh God. So folks, keep following. Oh, keep following. This is the SOS call. The Simple Bridge Greyhound community is calling on government. The Simba Bridge Greyhound community is calling on government officials to please help over. Nope. So let's take this one. We say the Simba Bridge Greyhound communities is calling on government officials to please come over to their help. To please come over to their help. So the citizens are actually crying. It is this time for our people to show love. TTV. TTV.
Why you located there?
You want to speak or you?
Where you located there?
Single.
I can get around all. I gotta ask.
We can get around. Where around? Okay. So okay, you protective. So you live here where?
Yeah.
So when this actually happened?
I moved here 2021.
Moved here 2021. July. Since 2021, we've been experiencing this, right?
My second time experiencing it.
Second time experience.
Yeah, brother.
Okay, so you having more experience. So why keep you stay here?
Why keep you stay here?
Yeah.
Green. The era our live. Now video recording.
You protected. Speak, my man.
Now video recording.
You on live, not only video recording. Let go.
That's all movie here. The era I live in top village. Our point. Our living to village. You understand?
Yes. My fellow colleagues, this is not a fun. Actually, people are crying on calling on local government, the chairman, most especially the chairman, to come on that or they rescue. They are playing fun. Are you a resident of here or Creo?
Yeah, I moved here 2021.
Then why you playing fun?
And I'm a matter of fun. Well, the area live environment, and that area where people live. The area here, it will be in the into our labyrinth people or in the into our government or in the into our LDC. From here to the Hajona far.
So when you involving LDC into this matter?
And we get a lot of same money company in Simple. From here Simple, it almost like 10 or 15 working female. So in the into our LDC, because from here to the Hajona far. Even the environment and environment people live. You just live here just because of living sick. You understand? Far or making fun. But the environment and environment people live. I'm born here. I just moved here 2021. I'm a second time experiencing the environment. It's my idea where I'm a people there. She now don't be here. She used to be here.
So this actually happening when? Is that in every year occurs or?
No, the way we really explain what that for me, my second time experiencing water here. Yeah, but they say 2007 or 17 water came here. The second time for me, I was the third time here now.
2001.
2017.
So if when
other people
situation happen like they receive any food from the
enough for me, yeah, enough for me now. But the individual that are living here, all the residents that are living here, that just tell me.
So any NGO or organization support?
I know.
All right, your name again?
Come on, brother God gave.
Okay, that's what brother God gave. they actually share fun and later on go speak like to his matter. So folks, stay tuned. We stay here. No way. No way. All right, Sam. Sam said we should find someone better to get our information. Exactly so, because that guy seems like he does not live here. So folks, stay tuned. Let's see, because we don't actually happen. We're getting narrate a story that's more fact funny. So you know all right, let's go back to the comment section. Jefferson friends, they say your dirty beans. God, sorry for that expressions. Our bond that the problem of that community were yes. Okay. Some saying this other food talking stupidity here. Where people are concerned about flooring. Okay. Steering sail waiting human being go to Greho. But Greho is the place for human being. That one. What is Joe Braga doing? This actually does not work with the government. It is a local organization or NGO can help in this matter. What is it? Where? So why only concern of food and things? Sorry for the expression. Why only concern of things? Why you guys only concern of food? Yeah, but you can explain it. Yeah, not me. Are they bringing happiness now? Happiness, not happiness. Exactly so. All right. A minute for now, we will close the screen of the television. My man, I hear Levi. My man, the people say I can prove a love. So folks, here's how close the screen of the television. Yeah, my name is Iman Nabi Thomas, and there's a DTV online. On behalf of the DTV family, we are planning on calling disaster management to see how best, or any local NGO. Still don't have a Black Sonic